Friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal Quick Publication Journal with the free of cost. So there is no publication charges. So let's start the what types of the topic covered by this journal. कौन कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नो अबाउट द पब्लिकेशन types. So this is the types of the paper so we can submit. So these are the subject topics: computer aided design in engineering, computer graphics and modeling, computational design issues in structural architecture, electronics, mechanical systems, computer aided, and there are the so many topics covered by this journal, and this is also the multidisciplinary. So if you are having this type of the research area, then you can submit your research paper. अगर आपका ये रिसर्च एरिया इन टॉपिक्स में से मैच कर रहा है, देन यू कैन सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर फॉर द पब्लिकेशन. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नो. नाउ लेट्स जंप टू द about the home. So this is the general title: advances in computational design and international journal. So these are the details of the editorial board member, and this is a ESCI journal indexing and also a Scopus Index journal. So this is Scopus Index journal and also the SCI Index journal, and these are the ISSN number given here. So this journal published in both category, print version and online version. The publication time of this journal quarterly, so you can publish your research paper within 3 months, and all the things are given here. So before submission, explore all the tabs. So these are the tabs like the home, aim and scope, editorial board member, table of contents. So if you want to explore about the published article in this journal, so then you can click on this tab, so it will be redirected to the published article. Now click on the guide for authors. How we will prepare our research paper, कैसे हम अपनी research paper को prepare करेंगे. So all the guidelines are given here. So you can see here, this is the editorial board member mail ID. So if you are having any type of the question in your mind, so then you can put a query to the directly editorial board member. So definitely they will revert back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Now this is the submission link, and you can directly submit your research paper and uploading system. So follow these guidelines to prepare your research paper. And now scroll down, so you can see here these are the guidelines like the A4 paper and how many content, how many words can be covered. So journal के अकॉर्डिंगली हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर और मेनू स्क्रिप्ट कैसे रेडी करेंगे, कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे, उसका क्या टेम्पलेट्स है, क्या उसकी गाइडलाइंस है, ऑल द थिंग्स आर गिवन हियर. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू डाउनलोड द टेम्पलेट, अगर आपको टेम्पलेट डाउनलोड करना है तो आप यहाँ से टेम्पलेट डाउनलोड कर लेंगे, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर रिसर्च पेपर. एंड ऑथर्स गाइडलाइन आल्सो गिवन हियर, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस, सो इट विल बी रिडायरेक्टेड टू द गाइडलाइंस. कौन कौन से हमको गाइडलाइन इसमें के अकॉर्डिंगली रिसर्च पेपर को क्रिएट करना है. नाउ सो ऑल द थिंग्स आर गिवन हियर. नाउ scroll down, so copyright, ethics, what types of the things, kind of the nobility and general publication issue, all the things are given here. So explore in detail. Now most important thing about the publication fees of any journal, so we should know about the publication fees. So you can see here, except for open access article, there is no publication charges or article processing fees. Means there is no publication charges to publish your research paper in this quality index journal like Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal में आपको कोई भी पैसे देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आपका रिसर्च पेपर इस जर्नल में पब्लिश हो जाएगा. बट एक्सेप्ट ओपन एक्सेस आर्टिकल, अगर आप ओपन एक्सेस आर्टिकल को चूज नहीं करेंगे तो आपको कोई भी पैसे देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नाउ हाउ वी विल सबमिट अवर रिसर्च पेपर. सो दिस इज़ द सबमिशन link. So just click on this and you can create your login ID and password before submission. Accordingly then you can submit your research paper for the publication. Now how we will check this journal authenticity, कैसे हम इस journal को क्रॉस वेरीफाई करेंगे whether this is index in Scopus or SCI index. So just copy this ISSN number and click here and type. So this ISSN number will be redirected to this particular link. So just click on this link. So this is the home page of this journal. So you can see here, so advances in computational design, so we can cross verify. So this is an advance in computational design and international journal. So this is journal title, South Korea, yeah. And computer, what types of the subject category: computer science graphic, computer design, engineering, computational mechanics, mathematics, computational mathematics. So this type of the multidisciplinary journal. Now what about the indexing? So this journal having the index factor is the 6. Now this is the publisher name, just click on this, it will be redirected to the publisher, and ISSN number that we have already copied. So this is journal ID. Now about more detail about this journal, so you can see here quartile, so computational mathematics, computational mechanics, and computer graphics. So what types of the quartiles maintained by this journal? So you can see here, this is the quartile 3 journals, means so be in, if you don't know about the quartile, so we have already published a video regarding the quartile Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. so this type of the category maintained by the Scopus. So this is the Q3 index journal, and what types of the citation and all the things or all the matrices are given here. So you can see here, this is the citable document, non-citable document, so all the things. So these are the citable document along with the years, year wise कौन से कितने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स से आर्टिकल साइटेड हुए हैं, लिस्टेड हुए हैं. सो ऑल द थिंग्स आर गिवन हियर. नाउ यू कैन चेक हियर, दीज आर द Q3 indexing, Q3 quartile 3 journal. So this is how we can cross verify about the authenticity of this journal. So that hence proof that this journal belongs to the SCI and ESCI journal and comes under the quartile 3 category of the Scopus index journal. So friends, before submission check this journal also, and after satisfaction then you can submit your research paper for the publication. So it's your side how you satisfied. So अगर आप इस जर्नल्स के साथ सेटिस्फाइड हैं, आपकी सारी डिटेल, वेदर यू वांट ऑल द थिंग्स आर सेटिस्फैक्शन, देन यू नीड टू सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर फॉर द पब्लिकेशन, बिकॉज दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. फर्स्ट वन, देर इज नो पब्लिकेशन चार्जेस, कोई भी पब्लिकेशन चार्जेस नहीं है. इंडेक्सिंग इज द स्कोपस इंडेक्स जर्नल एंड SCI इंडेक्स जर्नल, and your research paper will get published within 3 months. So these are the most important criteria of this journal. So definitely these are the strong point of this journal. So explore this journal before submission your research paper. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are new on this site, so subscribe this channel and hit on the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notification on regular basis, and also help your friend by sharing this channel and this video.